I'm Pieter Allart, and it's a great honor for me to win this Yard of the Month award. As you can see, I've put a lot of work in this yard. It would be extremely difficult for me to point out a favorite, but probably the most conspicuous plant right now would be this rose bush over here. This is a drift rose. It's supposed to grow 1.5 feet tall and 2 feet wide. Didn't quite work out that way. It's actually a plant that was left behind here by a friend who stayed in our house and took care of our pets for a couple of weeks while we were traveling many years ago, and she left this as a gift. And it worked out great. I found a good spot for it, as you can see. I'm not doing it for the award, of course. It's great therapy. I have a busy job, so it's a good thing to just kind of cool off at the end of the day. And hopefully it makes some of my neighbors also happy to drive by this every day.